2013 Fiat 500. The Fiat 500 offers exciting models infused with style, technology, and convenience features to make life on the go more personalized and comforting. And with so many original ways to personalize every Fiat 500, your individuality will be recognized wherever you go. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, brake assist, tachometer, leather, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.